Hi guys! So we're finally here at Tiendesitas and it is located here in Pasig City. Now here at their food village and ang itatry natin ay yung kanilang bonis and specialized siya sa mga barbecue and grill. So tara, try natin! Sa loob ng Bonis po, tama po. And specialized sila sa pork barbecue and we're going to interview the owner, Miss Myra.
Hello!
Hi, Miss Myra. So, gano'n nakatagal tong Bonis, Miss Myra?
Dito sa Tiendesitas since 2005. So, we're pioneers of when we opened, Tiendesitas opened. Bukas na rin kami. We're one of the pioneers.
So, barbecue po talaga ang ano ninyo.
But we started in Tarlac in 1997.
So, namana niyo po ito?
It's my sister who started it with just 500 pesos na capital.
Wow, guys, 500 pesos sila nagsimula and now very successful. Na-feature na sila sa different magazines. So first one is na-feature na sila sa Good Housekeeping and as you can see guys, yung business talaga nila. Partner sila ng sister niya. Yes. Bali, it's Miss Myra Soliman Salvosa and Bonnie Soliman. Sa kanya po kinuha yung Bonnie?
Yes, yes. Kasi recipe niya.
And next magazine na na-feature sila is this Entrepreneur. So, yan. Ito si Miss Bonnie Carissa Soliman. Tapos guys, ang kagandahan dito sa Food Village is meron din silang minsan live band. Lalo na dun sa mga maghilig mag-chillax, gusto uminom. Etong Bonnie's, di lang siya barbecue kasi pwede rin kayong bumili ng mga beverages. So, alam nyo na kung saan kayo pwede tumambay, inuman, chill-chill lang, and bagay dun yung barbecue nila. So, tara guys, meron pa silang isang restaurant and yun naman yung bibisitahin natin. Next restaurant is this Joe Chefs. Thanks mga ear slots. We're going to try their cucumber calamansi shake. Made fresh to. Sarap. Sobrang init. Alam mo, pagkasim mo, parang, bigla ka machichill. Totoo mo. Guys, ito na yung Bonnie's barbecue. Tapos ito yung kanila. Sariling suka din yan. This one is Leangko. Seller na Paris. Pasta, we're going to try the ali olio. Joe Chef, and his name is Joseph. Sa dishes, of course, ito na ang ating dessert. Ito yung kanilang homemade talaga to na banana walnut.
I'd like to invite everyone to Joe Chefs. We're located at Tiendesitas Level 1, Building A. We're at the Fashion Village.
I'd like to invite you to Bonnie's Barbecue Grill at the second floor of the Food Village.
Yan na nga guys, yung owner ng Bonnie's and then Joe Chef. Promise, take my word, very affordable, masarap, good food, and nice location. So that's it guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, Pat. Cheers.
Another vlog. So in today's video, i-interviewin natin yung one of the owner of Blusa Boutique and that is Sir Jerry Del Rosario. Hi Sir Jerry!
Hello.
So tatanungin lang natin si Sir Jerry about the business. So sir, how long have you been dito sa fashion industry?
We started formally year 2000. So we used to be suppliers of big establishments like Niseka, Tunica Iha. We also did for Rustanciang VIP.
Kaya yung parang mga style. Okay.
Ginaya nila kami.
Kadalasan, ano yung mga bumibili? Yung mga regular ones? Age, ano po sila? Mga 40 plus or 30 plus. So ang target natin is yung mga parang nasa corporate world, no? Hindi siya, kumbaga, hindi siya binibili sa ibang company, hindi siya inaangkat. So as you can see talagang sa kanila to, pati yung materials po, no? The process and all that stuff sa kanila.
Inviting everyone, come one, come all, come everybody. We're open here in Chendesitas every Mondays to the whole week.
Oh, every day.
Wala akong no frills dito. Everybody's welcome. Come assured.
So that's it for today's video, mga sis. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you on my next video. Thank you, Sir Jerry.
Bye.
Bye, guys. For more information, you can like their social page. They have Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.